Hello guys, Aisha Katyal welcome you all to today's talk. We are at Marva Studios and here we have our second Global Fashion and Design Week going on. With us we have the Shehnaz Hussain, the lady behind the making of so many beautiful faces. So let's talk to her and gather some tips about fashion, about beauty, and let's gather some positivity from her side. Today at the fest, how did you feel and how did you find our event today?
I think it's an excellent event, very well done. Very beautiful design, very young designs, because children have beautiful ideas, and that's one thing that is not easy to replace brain power. Apart from that, I think that it's a very good idea to have this get together of people to review lovely designs and for furniture and for beauty and for fashion. And the whole show was very well done, very well organized, and I wish them lots and lots of shows, not only in India but abroad. So India can conquer the world in fashion, design and beauty.
So anything you would recommend them to add on to?
Yes, I just told Sandeep that why don't you combine fashion and design with artificial intelligence, AI. The way I'm working with AI, with Ayurveda and AI, I'm trying to combine 3000 BC with 2050. So you can have the past and the future together. And AI can, I think, artificial intelligence play a very important part in design, fashion and this beauty.
I would like to have some of the tips, some of the blessings from your side so that these students can grow also, because आप तो गुरु हैं बिल्कुल अपनी field में. So कुछ
I'm nothing, but I just said this, I don't know, you're not there. I said all of us should have a dream, must believe in the magic of our dreams and then see that that dream comes true. In life it's not important what you want, what really matters how badly you want it. You can achieve anything in life, just want it that much. There is no such thing as destiny. We make our own destiny. We will be what we will ourselves to be. You want to will yourself be the best, then there's no stopping. Then the sky is the limit. You want to stop, then the stars are in between.
Very correctly said. There's no substitute to hard work. So thanks for inspiring us and thanks for coming to the event. So this was from the side of the beauty guru, the Shehnaz Hussain. I hope you enjoyed the interview. Aisha Katyal sign off for the day, but I'll be back with another very eminent guest for you. Till then, you keep watching MS TV, Har Pal Aapke Saath.